Hi. So, in this video, I am going to teach you how to solve an equation like this. Now, at first, we don't start solving like at the very moment. We have to look a little deeper. The easiest way to get rid of the square roots is to square both sides. But if we square both sides as is right now, the equation would be really hard to solve. So, after looking a little deeper, we see that this x plus 7 plus 3x plus 1 is 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8. And we also see that x plus 2 plus 3x plus 6 is also 4x plus 8. So, but since they're on different sides, we have to move them to be on the same side once we square it, so they would be equal. So we can rewrite it as the square root of x plus 7 plus, not plus, minus the square root of 3x plus 1, since we just moved this to that side of the equation, which is equal to 3x plus 6, the square root, minus x, the square root of x plus 2. See, we just moved these square roots to the other side of the equation. Now, the easiest way to get rid of the square roots is to square both sides. And after that, you get x plus 7 minus 2 times the square root of x plus 7 times the square root of 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1, which is equal to 3x plus 6 minus 2 times the square root of 3x plus 6 times the square root of x plus 2 plus x plus 2. Now, we can combine terms on both sides of the equation. So this side is going to be equal to 4x plus 8 minus 2 times the square root of x plus 7 times 3x plus 1, the square root, which is also equal to 4x plus 8 minus 2 times the square root of 3x plus 6 times x plus 2. Now this is pretty straightforward. There's a 4x plus 8 on both sides, so we can cross those out. And since this, these two square roots are both being multiplied by -2, we can also cancel the -2's out, which leaves us with the square root of x plus 7 times the square root of 3x plus 1, which is equal to the square root of 3x plus 6 times the square root of x plus 2. So right now we can square both sides and get rid of the square root, like so. This leaves us with x plus 7 times 3x plus 1, which is equal to 3x plus 6 times x plus 2. Now we can just multiply these out and solve for x, which so this equation, we can just multiply them out. This side is going to be 3x plus 22x plus 7, which is equal to, no, this is squared, 3x squared plus 12x plus 12. Notice I just multiplied the numbers out by doing this and this and adding all the terms. Since there's a 3x squared on both sides, we can cross those out. And now we can just start figuring this out. You can subtract 12x on this side, subtract 12x on this side, subtract 7 on this side, and subtract 7 on this side. Now, what you're left with is 10x. What you're left with is 10x is equal to 5. So therefore, x has to be 1/2. In this case, in this scenario.